Batsman name? Sandeep. Non-striker
Thank you
end.
so much, Pratik.
Batsman is Sandeep and at the non-striker end is Ayush. The ball is high up in the air. Lovely catch by Aditya Malik. New batsman. Batsman name please.
अश्विन,
Sajad.
कॅप्टन कोण आहे तुमचा? हाच प्रॉब्लेम झाला तुमचा. तू आधी आला पाहिजे होता.
The ball is racing to the mid-wicket area. What a lovely bit of shot there. The score was on to 7.
एक रन काढून त्याला दे ना, तो मारेल ना. तुझ्यापेक्षा तो पहिल्यावर बसला बॅटिंग कर.
A swing and a miss. White. The score was on to 8. 8 for the loss of 2 wickets.
मी माझा भाई बाटला घेऊनच फिरते.
Wide ball. Score moves on to 9. 5 चेंडू 9 धावा. 5 balls and 9 runs. Tushar. 9 for the loss of 3 wickets. New bowler is Aditya Malia. Lovely ball. The ball is racing. Lovely bit of fielding there by Sai Kharat. उत्कृष्ट फलंदाजीचा नजराणा साई खरात द्वारा. Score moves on to 10. 10 for the loss of 3 wickets. स्वतःच पहिलं आणि संघाचं दुसरं षटक घेऊन येतो आदित्य माल्या. राईट आर्मवर द विकेट मारा करतोय. A swing and a miss. Very well kept there by Pawan Mantri. 2 चेंडू मध्ये फक्त एकच धाव आलेली आहे. 3 चेंडू आणि फक्त एक धाव. Score moves on to 11. बहुत ही बेहतरीन बॉलिंग का नजराना. कल भी उन्होंने एक ओवर में केवल 3 रन दिए थे और अभी भी 5 बॉल में केवल. Very watchfully played. Oh, lovely bit of fielding. Lovely fielding by Ayan there. Just 3 runs. DJ Naveen bowler Sai Kharat. What a lovely bit of bowling by Aditya Malia. Yesterday he bowled one of the most beautiful spell to get his team back. He changed the momentum of the game by bowling just a very crucial penalty made over of and just gave 3 runs. Here is Sai Kharat, right arm of the wicket. He's gone. Sai Kharat picks up the wicket. The 4th wicket is back in the dugout. Fielder is Ayan. New batsman is Mayank. Oh my! Kirti Shetty. Thank you, DJ. 12 runs, Amol, 5 wickets. Sai Kharat on a hat-trick. Can he do it? Can he do what 2 lakh people are waiting to watch? Oh!
It's
That's
a wide
wide.
delivery. Wide delivery.
So the hat-trick continues.
Yes, we all were waiting for that hat trick. No, we cannot continue. He's missed the chance of a hat trick actually. But Rasik, one thing you observed, the WT strikers bowlers are picking wickets at regular intervals. They are not allowing GT11 to settle down.
Absolutely.
Hello, check. Yes, Sai Kharat back on the bowling mark. 2 wickets. That's what he has picked up in this over.
Score moves on to 14. The ball is high up in the air. Oh. What a catch! What a catch by Pawan Mantri! Field.
So that shows their confidence and the trust in the bowling lineup.
Absolutely.
You
What a lovely bit of bowling. Sai Kara, 3 wickets. What an over. Three overs, 20 runs and 6 wickets. New bowler is Ayan. Oh, what a lovely bit of bowling by Ayan. It's getting difficult for the Godrej to hit the boundaries. You might have to look for the ones and the twos, maybe. Oh, I thought it could have been a blinder if he would have pulled it. Two runs, can you believe? Absolutely sloppy bit of fielding there. What a shot! It's a six! Thank you, DJ.
DJ, thank you.
The ball is racing over the point area. 1 run.
Run declared.
Lovely bit of bowling by Ayan. The score moves on to 31. 31. 31. 31 for the loss of 6 wickets. Ayan, right arm over the wicket. Ayan. Oh God, what was that? Oh, that's a 6. Oh, what? Ball. Free hit. It's a free hit. It's a free hit. 37. It's a free hit. The ball is racing. Just a single.
Ball boys Akash. Ball boy Kishan. Anurag. Kishan Anurag. आप जहां कहीं भी
Power
हैं
over.
स्टेज के पास आ जाइए. अनुराग, किशन, the ball boys.
39. Four over 39. The score is 4 overs 39.
Ball boy Anurag, Kishan.
Oh, lovely bit of bowling there by Aditya Malia. Aditya Malia, right arm over the wicket. In the previous over, he just gave 3 runs. Lovely bit of bowling.
Anurag, Kishan. Ball boys, Kishan.
कल जो धुआंधार गोलंदाजी आदित्य मालिया ने दी वही आज भी. कल भी 3 रन और आज भी सिर्फ 3 रन. Lovely shot. Oh my God, there could be a run out. Lovely bit of fielding by Ayan. Ayan has already picked 2 important, beautiful catches and was about to take a run out. Oh, lovely bit of bowling. It seems Aditya Malia is bowling at a very different level. Absolutely unplayable. The ball is racing. Oh, that could have been. Oh God, what's happening out here? Oh, comedy of errors. Comedy of errors. Oh God, 3 runs. 3 runs. Oh my God. It's a comedy of errors out here.
Ball boys Anurag, Kishan.
The 2
स्टेज के पास आ
batsmen
जाइए.
were very alert. Score 42. Score moves on to 42. The score moves on to 42. Aditya Malia has done a amazing thing. Again, just 3 runs. इसके पहले के ओवर में भी 3 रन, आज सेकेंड ओवर में भी 3 रन और कल भी 3 रन। ऊपर से जो 3 रन हुए उसमें ओवर थ्रो का योगदान ज्यादा था, नहीं तो 1 या 2 ही आते थे ये ओवर में। कल भी बहुत ही बेहतरीन गोलंदाजी आदित्य माल्या के द्वारा, एंड वी नीड टू गिव क्रेडिट टू द बोथ द बैटर्स हियर, Shetty and Sachin. They were very alert, very smart. I think it was just a single and they scrambled 3 runs and absolutely amazing running between the wicket. Sloppy bit of fielding there by the Whispering Palm team out there. Poor backup. Absolutely. It was just a single maybe. Oh my God. Soumya picking up the very important wicket. Navy batsman Amit. New batsman on strike is Amit and the bowler is Soumya. It's gone. 8th wicket is gone, back in the dugout. New batsman. आशुतोष, नए बैट्समैन आए आशुतोष। रन भी कंप्लीट नहीं किया, रन आउट हुए, यानी एक भी रन नहीं. नए बैट्समैन, न्यू बॉलर इज शांतनु. बैट्समैन नेम प्लीज. Last wicket. Batsman name please. Batsman name. Bhupesh. Last wicket. Godrej 11 की 9 विकेट जा चुके हैं. भूपेश के बाद 6 बॉल है. 49 is the score. 47, I'm sorry, 47. 47. What a shot! Unbelievable! That's a biggie! My God! $53. The score moves on to 53. What a shot, the ball is racing to the long on area. Last wicket, it's the last wicket. $54, the score is 54. Oh, the ball is racing to the, oh my goodness me, what a shot! My goodness me, what's happening out here? The score moves on to 60 now. 60 for the loss of 9 wickets. The score is 60, and the attacking batting has made the bowling team captain had to make some field changes because the batsman was very clever in swinging everything around the leg side. Oh, lovely bit of ball. Oh, no one there. चार चेंडू झालेले, स्कोर झालाय 61. 4 balls have been bowled so far. Swing and a miss. Score is 61. Last ball of the innings. 61 for the loss of 9 wickets. Oh no, what was that? Oh God, oh, what's happening out here? That's a no ball and it's a free hit. The score moves on to 62. 63, I'm sorry. 63 and it's a free hit. Free hit. Shantanu, right arm over the wicket. 63. Let's see what he can do on the free hit. Oh! Free hit continues. 64. 65. 65. The score is 65. And the free hit continues. Gaurav, new bowler, has to bowl one ball. Lovely bit of bowling. The ball is racing to the short mid wicket area. The batsman have completed one, thinking of the second, and he's gone. "67 is the target. 67.
रसिक भाई आयान 2 कैचेस ब्रिलियंट फील्डिंग और वो अपना आदित्य माल्या 3 रन 5 डॉट बॉल दोनों में कॉम्पिटिशन अगर कोई बैटिंग करके निकाल लिया तो नेक्स्ट मैच का टॉस चल रहा है मैच किसका देख लो वाइट सिटी वर्सेस अब मुझे समझा क्यों आया
Check. I request the captain of White City and Sierra to come near the commentator's box. White City and Sierra. We'll have the toss during this break. White City and Sierra captain. Can you come near the commentator box? Target is 67. The batsman on strike is Pawan Mantri, and at the non-striker end is Sudipto. Bowler name please. Mayank. 67 is the victory target. Lovely shot. What a way to start by Pawan Mantri.
घर जाके आता
कौन है नेक्स्ट? अपन दोनों का तो हो गया.
है मेरा तो कुछ भी नहीं है फिर भी मैं हूँ
हाँ हाँ.
बट आई एम गोइंग आई नीड अ ब्रेक बिकॉज आई नीड टू कम बैक बिकॉज ऑलरेडी रनिंग बिहाइंड शेड्यूल मैम को पता है किसको क्या देना है राइट
उसके बाद
मैराथन मैच के 3 आइटम्स है वो सब लाके यहाँ पे रखा है हाँ
What a shot! Oh, it went like a tracer bullet.
ऑफिशियल कौन रहेगा? अजय रहेगा.
अजय भी जा रहा है तो आप है गिरीश भाई है
हाँ गिरीश.
हाँ
2 balls and both have been dispatched on the offside.
बॉल्स ओल्ड 2 बॉक्स है और बाकी सारे नए हैं
डन. डन.
Oh my goodness! He looks in a hurry right now. He wants to finish this match as fast as possible. Maybe he has another. Char Chendu Chauda Dawa. Pawan Mantri is back. What a beautiful cameo of an innings. 4-4-6. New batsman is Sai Karat. Char Chendu Chauda Dawa. Mayank picks up a very important wicket there of Pawan Mantri. The ball is high up in the air. Just a single. Pandra. New ball, please. New ball. New ball, please.
नया नया नया.
अरे नया बॉल देना बॉल
हाँ नया बॉल.
पहला ओवर 5 चेंडू 15 धावा. The ball is high up in the air. It is high and handsome for a 6. What an costly over this is.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Are you ready?
चांदनी रात में गोरी के साथ में आसमान में देखूंगा
Power over. Power over. Lovely bit of bowling, generating a lot of pace. Sudipto very watchful. Leaves it. Doesn't want to tinker with some lovely line and length. Oh, that's a lovely shot. No one at the cover boundary area. And the score moves on to 25. 25 for the loss of 1 wicket. Thank you, DJ. DJ, thank you. Oh, that good. Very close. Very watchfully played by Sudipto. 26. नहीं DJ single लिए. Ball is high up in the air. Oh! Score moves on to 32. A little bit of effort from the fielder. If you could have just ran a little bit faster, it could have been a catch there. Not too sure whether the fielder was absolutely ready for that. Oh, what a shot! What a shot! It's a 6. Moving on to 38. Lovely bit of batting there by Sai Karat. He's on a roll right now. Oh my goodness me! Just a single. Couldn't quite. Got the elevation. Couldn't quite get the direction. New bowler Sajad. Score moves on to 39. Two overs, 39. The ball is high up in the air. No one out there. Ball races on the long on area. Thank you, DJ. 43. Score moves on to 43. They're chasing a victory target of 67. What a shot. 6. The score moves on to 49. Whispering Palm strikers are in a hurry. Oh my goodness! That's a biggie. Score moves on to 55. Just 12 runs required. Oh my goodness, that's a biggie! Seema Rekha par. 61. 62. 3 consecutive sixes by Sudipto. It's a hat-trick of sixes by Sudipto. What a lovely bit of batting there. 62. Can he finish it off in style? Oh. 62 for the loss of 2 wickets. Sorry, 61 for the loss of. Keeper name, please. Keeper name. Mohammad. Gaurav is the new batsman. Ball is racing to the mid-wicket area. Just a single. Score was on to 62. 3 overs, 62 for the loss of 2 wickets. Bowler name, please. Bowler name. Bowler name. Ashutosh. The ball is high up in the air. He's gone. Fielder name, please. Mayank. And here comes the man whose love towards the number 3 has been absolutely mesmerizing. Yesterday he bowled 1 over 3 runs. Today in the first over he gave 3 runs. And in the second over again 3 runs. Aditya Malia, his fascination for the number 3 continues. Should be a wide, yes it is. The score moves on to 63. Score moves on to 63. Just 4 runs required. Will he finish it off in style? The ball is high up in the air. Oh! What was that? 64. What a shot! Look at that! Absolutely unbelievable. Lovely batting by Sai Karat. और इम्पैक्ट क्रिक हीरो साई करात को मैन ऑफ द मैच दिखा रहे हैं और इम्पैक्ट किसको देंगे?
इम्पैक्ट तो मैं उसी को दूंगा, आदित्य को। आदित्य ने